This is my roadmap. Great promise. These are my deliverables and milestone for fiscal year 2023-2027. My vision is by 2027, seeing you a globally recognized educational institution as agile and technologically proof, great smart campus. My mission is developing graduates equipped with world-class competencies and imbued with positive values for them to be future-proof, ready, and become great leaders, professionals, and stewards in their chosen vocation and of the society. 100% curricular programs are issued with COPC by GED, and CNU must belong consistently to at least 1,000 best HCIs in the world. On the faculty side, 100% must be masters and 90% at least are doctoral holders. 95 to 100% board passing in all, let me emphasize, licensure examinations. At least 5 top 10 every year. 100% of programs are at least level 3 AACOP accredited. ISO recertified. We have to create our own 4 referred or juried Scopus journals. At least 4 patents and 3 utility models per year. We must seek for a Republic Act or RS for Balamban and Medellin campuses. The original copy of the diploma of each graduating student shall be distributed during the respective commencement exercises. Prolific, functional, and meaningful partnerships with public and private higher education institutions. Philanthropy. Diverse we are, the stronger we become. I don't like yes or no people. I wish people to debate with me in order to unleash good ideas, based decision.
Ako ay humihingi ng inyong suporta. Kailangan ko kayo. Sa pagkakataon nito na marami tayong mga programa at mga plano sa pamantasan, huwag niyong tingnan ang inyong sarili. Tingnan niyo ang mga henerasyon 100 years from now. Kasi yun ang dapat natin gawin. Kung tayo ngayon ay maganda ang buhay, dapat mas maganda pa ang buhay sa susunod na henerasyon. Tayo ay magkaisa.
We need more Daniels in our nation.